We hail you. We worship. I'm still waiting on some people to get it. We hail you most. It's an intimate moment with your Father. We are gathered corporately, but intimacy is intimate. Intimacy is intimate. It's you and Him. We hail